Hey Daily Davers, it's Andrew here. Yesterday I went through some things that we're looking at with Leo to do with the taxi driver associations, continuing to gather more information on those around the world today and on-demand ride-hailing driver associations, and we'll keep you updated. Bye-bye.
Hi everybody. So today I finished the deployment scripts and now we can deploy easily our staging and the production environment. That's it for me for today. Bye.
Hey guys, today I had 3 interviews with 3 interesting guys. Also, I went ahead with a Java SDK that we're building. It's going to go out as part of the Copper Express integration. Timmy and I also made some advances through that project. And that's it for today. Bye guys.
Hey folks, what's up? So today I started the day with editing the DailyDAV, and then I moved to working on the DAV Alliance promotional video. I did some thinking and brainstorming towards this upcoming project, and then I finished the video ad that showcases the great scores and reviews we got online. It especially highlights the Goldfine and Rocket Fuel's review and Forbes magazine's article. And I made 6 different versions of it with different titles and call to actions in the end, so we can test those out and see how it goes. And that will be it for today. See you next time.
Hey Davers, Alick here. Sorry for not posting. Yesterday I was out in a meeting. So just some new numbers from the DAV Alliance. I managed to add 32 new companies to our list. Out of that, 28 new emails. John managed to outbound 16 new messages, new emails to different accounts, and we generated 2 MOUs. Yes. Other than that, I'm going to have a call with an accelerator here in Israel. This accelerator is backed by one of the big municipalities. We're just going to see what they want. Maybe they're thinking about a collaboration with us. I'll get more details and let you guys know. Have a great day. Bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Lopardo here at Token Fest in San Francisco. Yesterday was a great day. I was down in Silicon Valley interviewing the former CTO of General Motors, who's one of our advisors. So did some of that work, also worked on our KYC and the content for that. And today spent the whole day at Token Fest. It's been a great day meeting a lot of great people, a lot of great talks. So that's it for today. I'll be back here tomorrow. Thanks everybody.